Baby trouble with Sofia and James. Hey James, shall we go out and play? Hello Sofia, hello James. Is Mother Miranda at home? Hello Snow White. Mother Miranda is not at home. Oh, it's your baby. He's so cute. Oh, Sofia. Yes, he's my baby. His name is Joey. Oh, Sofia, I need your help. I had to go to the market to buy some grocery. Can you take care of Joey for some time? Sure, Snow White. It will be a pleasure. Oh, he looks cute, but I don't want to change his diapers. James, you don't have to do that. Okay, bye, Sofia. Hey, Joy, Mama will be back soon. Sofia, I will be back soon. Bye. Bye, James. Hey, James, isn't Joey so cute? Yo, I don't like babies. You can't play with them. Hey, Sofia, let's go out and play. We can take Joey along. Oh no, James, we can't take Joey along with us. Joey is too small. He can't even walk properly. Let's take him to our room. We can play with toys for some time. Uh-oh. Okay, as you say, little Joey. Hey, James, I think he really likes you. You, I don't like kids. Don't get away. Oh, I think Joey is hungry. Let me get some cookies. James, can you take care of Joey till the time I return? Oh, okay, Sofia, but be back soon. Oh, baby, you play with these balls. I'm feeling so sleepy. Hey James, where is Joey? James, wake up! Hey James, get up! Oh, Sofia, you're back. Where is Joey? I don't know. He was just playing here. Hey Joey! Oh no, James, where is Joey? Let us find him out. Hey Joey! Joey, where are you? Hey Joey, where are you, Joey? Come back. Hey Joey, come back. Oh, James, I can't see Joey anywhere. I am really worried. Hey Sofia, James, where is Joey? Oh, Snow White, Joey is not here. We couldn't find Joey anywhere. He was just playing with me when Sofia went to take some biscuits. I don't know where he has gone. Oh no, where he must have gone. Let us find him out. Hey Joey, Mama is back. Where are you? Joey, where are you? Hey Joey, come back. Where are you? Hey Joey, come back. Joey, where are you? Hey Joey, where are you? Joey, where are you? Oh, here you are. I could see you. Come out. Oh, my baby. Oh, Joey, Mama is back. Oh, my cute, naughty Joey. I'm sure Joey had such an amazing time with both of you. Thank you so much. Oh, yes, he is really very naughty. Oh, wow. Sophia and James had such an amazing time with Joey. Joey is really a very naughty child. Thank you for watching, guys. Do subscribe and come back for more fun stories. Bye for now.